penny stocks the right start for you to invest in stocks? Not sure if you should make a decent investment in penny stocks or rather spend all your savings on the cherry-picked blue-chip stocks? Here's the key to keeping in mind while investing in stocks: any stocks are valued. How valuable can a stock be, and how do we measure its value? People often look at billion-dollar companies with premium share prices of $500 to consider them valuable. However, this is a common misconception because the stock's share price does not always have something to do with the value of the stock. In reality, price holds very little sway compared to the value of the stock. Instead, it's the value of the stock and potential in stock's fundamentals and metrics that define if the present value of the stock makes it worth it or not. In other words, stocks under $5 in price can make you the same percentage of profit as a $500 stock can. All you have to do is know the right trends, developments, and measures for investing in the best stocks. Every now and then, we give you updates on the latest news, research, and development in the US stock market and investing in stocks. In this video, we are going to give you the 5 penny stocks of the year that have the best potential to make you rich. We will also provide you with the key measures to learn how to invest in valuable penny stocks. First on our list of $5 stocks to invest in is Ocean Power Technologies, which trades with the ticker symbol OPTT. Ocean Power Technologies is a leading company in renewable wave energy technology. Its proprietary technology allows it to convert ocean waves into electrical energy. As the world drives towards global green and renewable energy, OPTT stock is going to see big future gains. The company is valued at $130 million and reported a strong liquidity position of $80.4 million cash in total for the fiscal quarter ended on 30th of January 2021. Ocean Power Technologies increased efficiency by reducing its operating expense by 4.3% to $2.78 million in the quarter ended on 30th January. It has recently acquired a technology company for offshore engineering services known as Trident Technology. Ocean Power aims to expand its customer base and technology installation deployment contracts, making this a very potent stock to invest in. Next on our list of $5 stocks is Atlantic American Corporation with the ticker symbol AAME. Atlantic American Corporation is one of the best performing life insurance companies in 2021 that offers insurance products like life, health, property, and casualty insurance policies. The company has a market cap of $86.971 million. Atlantic was affected by the disruption caused by the pandemic, which led to a material decline in capital markets. But despite that, AAME managed to increase its premium revenue to $46.1 million in the first quarter of 2021. Operating loss was reduced to $2.0 million. According to the company's income statement, the stock had a return on investment of 112% for its investors since the start of the year. The company reported $200 million in 2020 and is expected to increase its revenue growth in 2021 since the effect of the pandemic is fading. The company's stock, which has a 2 cents quarterly dividend, is appropriate for income investors since it issues a dividend quarterly. The third stock in the list of under $5 stocks is Sesen Bio. Sesen Bio is a late-stage clinical company that uses the proprietary treatment of cancer using targeted fusion protein therapeutic. Sesen Bio, which trades with the ticker SESN, has been churning revenue and increasing share price for the past 12 months. The share price started at $1.30 this year and is currently around the $4 mark. The price of the stock has risen by 472% from the past year. The market cap is at $722.607 million. Its lead candidate is the real money maker, which is known as Vicinium. Vicinium is going through trials and tests to treat bladder cancer as well as head and neck cancer. This broad cancer treatment showed a 71% non-recurrence rate in phase 2 trials. It is also expected to gain regulatory approvals by 2021 in the US and by 2022 in Europe. Therefore, investors can jump on this bandwagon and expect it to cross the $5 mark after the approval period. Fourth on our list of investing in penny stocks is AmpliTech Group with the ticker symbol AMPG. This stock is known as the 5G revolution stock. 5G industry is still relatively a very early stage market. But that is exactly what makes this stock a potentially profitable long-term buy option. Its diversified portfolio, including the Internet of Things, space technology, and defense technology, will immediately get a boost in contract demands and revenue once fused with 5G technology. In addition, the company has a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.24, which shows that majority of the company's operations have not been funded by debt, but own capital. Currently, the stock is almost touching the $5 mark. According to Investopedia, this $45.877 million market cap stock will exit the penny stock category by a strong margin, once the 5G starts rolling, and is expected to grow 30% in the near term, thanks to a recent $23 million capital raise from winning a contract from Fortune 100 defense contractor. In the first quarter of 2021, the company reported a backlog of $2.4 million. Our final selection for the under $5 stock is a Euro pharmaceutical stock that is as significant, if not more, as the rest of the 4 penny stocks. It is called Mind Medicine with the ticker MNMD. Mind Medicine has a competitive advantage in the pharmaceutical sector because it targets and deals with psychedelics. The MNMD stock is currently under the $4 mark. The company has a solid debt-to-equity ratio of 0.07. The total equity has risen by a whopping 855% in the quarter ending at 30th January compared to the prior quarter. This $847.955 million valued company will see significant boosts once it starts gaining regulatory approvals, an observed trend in biotech stocks. The company is offering experiential therapy through LSD administration for treating mental health issues. This psychedelic stock is only possible in this timeline due to growing acceptance and approvals by local and state regulators to use drugs for medicinal or recreational purposes. Because of this, Mind Medicine believes it can target an addressable market that could grow by $16 trillion in size by 2030. These were the under $5 penny stocks from our list, and this is it for the video. We hope you liked the video and that it taught you how to look for value when investing in penny stocks. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to the channel and join the Stocks Telegraph community to stay up to date on the latest trends and valuable picks.